Series UAE Transfer Pricing Workbook, Part 2 of 37. Title, Evidence Index, Working Paper References, FTA Audit Pack. Hello everyone, and welcome back. You're watching Part 2 of 37 in our UAE Transfer Pricing Workbook series built to support strong UAE transfer pricing compliance and help you prepare confidently for an FTA compliance audit. In this part, we're covering a very important audit control sheet, the Evidence Index, also known as the Working Paper References Register. The default text objective here is simple but powerful: to create a central evidence register where every transaction and disclosure line can be linked to the right supporting documents such as agreements, invoices, approvals, benchmark files, calculations, and other audit evidence. What's coming next? In the next part, we will connect this evidence index to the transaction register and line-level disclosures, so you can clearly see how your TP disclosure figures are built, reconciled, and defended during an FTA review. Now, let's walk through how this evidence index works and why it matters in an audit. Why the evidence index is critical for FTA audit readiness. During an FTA compliance audit, the authority will not only ask what you reported, they will ask how you can prove it. This sheet gives you that proof in a structured way. It ensures traceability, consistency, and audit reproducibility, meaning an auditor can reperform your logic and reach the same conclusion. How to use the columns in this sheet. This evidence index is designed to work like a professional audit file, WP Ref, and Evidence ID. These are your internal reference codes, so every item of evidence can be tracked and cross-referenced quickly. Entity identifies which UAE entity the evidence relates to, important for groups with multiple entities or branches. Transaction type and TXID links the evidence directly back to a transaction record. This is crucial because FTA typically tests specific transactions, not just totals. Relationship and disclosure category confirms the related party relationship and the UAE TP disclosure category used in reporting, helping you defend categorization decisions. Transaction description and amount in AED captures the narrative and the value. If FX is involved, keep the FX rate and conversion logic consistent and documented. Agreement reference and document type. This is where you identify whether the support is a contract, invoice, memo, approval, benchmark study, or working calculation. File name path, URL. This is the most practical part for evidence link. In an audit, speed matters. You want to retrieve the exact document in seconds. Owner, status, and reviewer notes. These fields help you manage workflow: who is responsible, what is completed, what is pending, and what needs review or correction. Practical audit tip: if you want to look highly organized during an FTA audit, this is one of the best tools to have. Make sure every material transaction and every high-risk category such as services, royalties, and intercompany financing has complete evidence, clear references, and a working trail. Key takeaway: to summarize, this evidence index turns your TP file into an audit-ready documentation pack. It reduces audit risk by ensuring every disclosed number is linked to evidence that is easy to find, easy to verify, and consistent with the transaction register. This is part 2 of 37, and we still have more important sections to cover, so to be continued. Please subscribe to my channel for more related videos on UAE transfer pricing, TP disclosure, and FTA audit readiness. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next part.